our new water heater. I delivered to a shop locally because no one was going to be in yesterday. Anywho, so I've been researching these for ages, and eventually settled on this company I found online, which is called Advanced Overland. So they do a few different types of heater. They do just 12 volt only, they do 12 and 240 volt, and they also do one that's 12, 240, and you can also take a 90mm input from a diesel heater as well. I was tempted by that one, but then I decided, because of where it's going to be located, it's going to be a bit of a pain to get the diesel heater inlet, outlet to the heater, and because we're running a big inverter anyway, and also got loads of solar, I just thought, you know, there's no point, because when we're driving it'll be heating it up, and then with the excess solar it can be heating it up whilst we're driving, and then on mains it's only like half an hour to heat up. So I just thought, nah, I'll just go for the cheaper option, just go for the 12 volt 12 volt 240 volt version. So here it is, let's have a look. So you get a drain valve. I'm sure he said it was an overpressure valve as well, but not sure about that. No, I think it is actually. I think it's a spring-loaded overpressure valve by the looks of it. So yeah, that needs to be plumbed in a way where it can drain off somewhere. We do get the pipe as well though, inside that, so that's not too bad. Manual. Nice Advanced Overland sticker as well. That's a controller.
Oscar's very interested in what you're showing him. He's going to try and steal it.
Yeah, it's wired, you can't steal it. It's a controller. He has advised me that apparently the light on this stays on all the time, and it's quite bright, so to put a switch on the display or just on the unit, I'll work it out another time. Is it hard wired? Looks like it's hardwired into the unit. I suspect there's a way of I don't know actually. Oh, it is hardwired inside. Looks like you have to mount that on the wall, and then that'll just slide onto it. So that's going to be interesting. Work out how I'm going to do that. Might be just chopping it off and rewiring it. Anyway, that's that.
What is that, Minnie? Is that a new toy? No. That's huge.
Yeah.
Keep that sticker.
Advanced Overland.
You dropped the sticker.
Yeah. Where?
I'm sure it's on the floor. No, this side where the ball is.
Oh, yes. Cool. And there you go. Simple instructions. Make sure you fill it before powering on. Obvious ones. Well, obvious to me. And then I believe these are, I think they're 1/2 inch BSP connectors.
What's a BSB connector?
It's like a British standard pipe connector.
Cool.
Yeah, easy to get stuff, easy to get adapters. I'm just going to be using John Guest pipe work with it just to make it easier to run the pipe work around the van. So I'll just get 1/2 inch to John Guest push fit adapters for these.
I almost thought I was going to ask you if it's the Tuna Man, but that's John West.
Shiny silver. Ooh, shiny. Leave that on. Yeah, there's your 12-volt cables. They're not that long, but I'm hoping to situate it near all my power bank. So hopefully I won't have to extend those. But we'll see. Obviously I'll have to go for a fuse as well on the 12-volt side. 240-volt side has already got a plug on. So that, I decided how I'm going to wire that yet. Just with him saying about the controller being quite bright, I need to plug it in really and see what it's like. But I can't plug it in now because it's obviously not full of water. Yeah, there we go. This is the 10-litre one. They also do a 6-litre one, and I believe they might do a 15-litre as well. I might be getting them mixed up with a different brand, but definitely 6 and definitely 10. So yeah, there you go.
Got everything.
Yeah.
How much was it?
This one, I got on eBay with an offer code, so it came up like 237, which was cheaper than the Bobo one that I looked at. After speaking with this guy, he says that he supplies, he sources these from the same place that Bobo sourced theirs. The difference is, I think the Bobo ones come with an 800 watt 240 volt element, whereas this one comes with a 1500 watt 240 volt element. So the idea being it'll be a lot quicker to heat up from cold. So
Do you remember how much it is without the voucher code?
oh yeah, it's like 250. Yeah, there's not much in it. I think he's running the same offer on the website as well. But I just prefer buying stuff through eBay and then using PayPal, because I just find that I've got more protection rather than just buying straight through a website. So yeah, that's the reason why I bought it on eBay rather than the website.
We will link the website and eBay listing in the post.
But yeah,
Sweet.
but he's been really helpful as well, the guy. I've been asking loads of questions and he's been emailing me back. I emailed him last Sunday and within 10 minutes he messaged me back on a Sunday. So yeah, he's been helpful. I believe the guy's called Chris.
We like Chris's.
Yeah, there you go.
And we'll link it, right?
Yeah.
Ta-ra, ta-ra. Bye-bye. Have a nice day. Yo-Yo and Big D out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.